problem is. Okay, can you see my screen transfer of trust money? Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's not go to the theory now. Let's go back to the theory once we did the examples. Okay, let's look at this example. So this is a trial balance. We know that the credits are all liabilities, income, and capital. We know the LIC system. And we know that debits are all assets and expenses. Roxanne, you know that? You're aware of that?
Yes. Debits is expenses. Yes, as is that.
Assets and expenses, no? Your trial balance is debits and credits is liabilities, income, and capital. So they gave us that example, and then they gave us, can you guys mute, please? Let me just make the Nessa the class captain so that you can mute when I'm out of my presenter. Okay, so that you can just mute. Okay, so now they gave here balances, right, which appeared in your subsidiary journals. We all know what subsidiary journals is. It's either trust, it's the books of first entry, right? So you will have your trust cash receipts journal, your trust cash payments journal, your business cash payment journal, and your fees journal, right? And then they obviously also gave us the general journal. So what they wanted us to do here at the beginning was just to do your ledger accounts for your business trust creditors. But I think your actual concern is by part B, when you want to transfer. Okay, so it's very simple in part A. Part A, we're just putting the business bank account, we're taking the balances from the trial balance, and then we taking the receipts and the payments. We all know a client control is made up of a balance brought down and some fees, and if there's interest on the account, and on the credit side, we know this is payments that was made. Roxanne, you with me? You know that?
I'm here with you. Yes, I'm here. Aziz, I'm
Do
here.
you understand this aspect? What goes into my client control account?
All my income that's coming into the business.
Fees, not income fees
Fees coming
and
into the business
interest.
bank.
Not into the business bank, no? It's just fees that is coming in. It doesn't mean to say it's paid. Remember that. Okay? Right, and now you get your trust creditors, and then you get your fees. We know the trust creditors is the opposite of my trust bank account. On the side, we've got receipts, and on the side, we've got payments. Right, that's not the rocket science. Is everybody still clear on this? Is there questions regarding this? No questions. I can't see. Danessa, will you just shout if there's a question? So
Yes,
I
all good
told,
so far.
okay, so I told you that this part I don't do it because I don't like working with this, right? Um, so I use ledger entries, right? Let's start with my ledger entries. Now, remember, you're going to have a client's ledger and you're going to have a trust creditors ledger, right? Y- I start with the trust creditors ledger. Why? Because in the trust creditors ledger, you will know what you can transfer. If you're going to start with this account first, it's almost like it's still going to be open. You're not going to complete it. You might just go, what's the word now? What's the word now? Anyway, so you might just be oblivious to it and close it off without transferring. So when you're doing the transfer of trust money, you're first going to do your trust creditors account. So my trust creditors is the same, but now it's individual ones. So you're gonna break it down to each client. So it's still the trust creditors control. This whole block here will equal the trust creditors control in the law firm, right? But now we're doing individual. So we're gonna go to Langa. If you will note in the trial balance, they gave a balance for Langa for 5.7. We filter out the trust bank account for Langa, which was 3315, and the trust payments is 5805. That was all in the subsidiary journals, if you remember correctly. Is everybody still with me?
Aziza, you're very
Yes.
fast. Sorry.
Am I fast?
The subsidiary journal, where did that come? Is that the 3315?
Yeah, at the beginning in the question, they gave us the question and they said to us,
Okay.
here's the subsidiary journal. Because we're dealing with Langa here, there's Langa's amount that I was speaking to now. Which is hard.
Okay. We're doing it individually. So we're gonna do it for J East, for G Langa. Yes.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Now, this year and this was now part of my Langa's
Trust credit.
individual trust creditor and Langa's there won't be a trust bank for Langa, but and his client ledger. Here you can see Langa 1890. Right? Okay. This was for Puma, that interest. Okay, let's go back to Langa. Where's Langa now? Yeah. Okay. 57 and the 5805 for Langa. Right? Oh, sorry, the 3315 and the 5805. The balance brought down is the 57. So this amount here, instead of doing a carry down that we were doing all the time, that now it becomes a transfer. Think of it like that. And that transfer, I'm going to transfer over here. Can you see? So this tells me that there is 3,200 Rand available to transfer to Langa's account. But how much does Langa owe? Langa had a previous balance of 2,550 and he had some fees of 1,890. So he owed us 4 the law firm. But then we transferred to the 3210 to Langa's account. So now we have 1,230, the balance. Are you clear, Roxanne?
With you, yes, I'm with you, Aziza.
Okay, let's see how with you are with me. So if we transferred 5,210 Rand, what would the balance then be? How would it have affected this account?
If we transferred 5,210 Rand, then there would be 3,210 Rand.
We
No.
want to transfer 5,210 Rand was available to transfer. How would that have affected us now?
Let me just quickly go into this calculator, yeah. I need a calculator.
We will have a credit of 760 to transfer back to Langa.
So are you gonna transfer the 5,210?
Isn't it possible? Because then Langa doesn't have that much amount of money.
Yes. So you can only transfer what amount?
3 to 10.
No.
Are you saying if Langa had 5,200
Mm-hmm.
in the client's creditors account.
In the trust creditors account.
Then you transfer the whole 5,200
No.
or 4,440 and he's left
Yes, you
with
only
760.
transfer. Yes, you only transfer 4,440. His account is then closed off. You can't transfer more money because then that means you say you're transferring somebody else's money. You with me?
Mhm.
You guys all with
Then
me?
there would be
So you
760 rand.
only transfer what is needed if
Yes.
Langa has more in the
Yes.
trust creditors account. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so if Cape follows the same principle, transfer trust 22250, same story there. The same principle. I probably don't need to do F Cape and Puma. You all clear on F Cape is the same principle of Langa. Can I move? Can I move on? Okay. Now let's look at this example here. Use the same example in 6.1, but assume that the information in 6.1 was before the transfer of the bank recon. The only differences between the trust bank statement and the trust bank account is that the electronic transfer of 2,000 on behalf of Jane East was for rates. The reversal by the 15,000 was paid to the trust bank. 2 transactions must still be accounted for. And that bottom piece. Now I want you now to draw up the account of F Cape. I'll just put it up here. There's the question. There's F Cape. There's his trust creditors ledger done for you already. I want you now to do that example for me and explain to me why you're doing it like that. I'll give you all 5 minutes to think about the difference.
We're doing
Can you see the question that I posted now in the chat for you? I want you to do that question, but I'm giving you the ledger entry of the trust creditors control of F Cape.
Hi, Aziza.
Hi.
Yes, I'm a bit slow here. What was the question? Are we doing the trust creditors ledger again of F
Of
F
FK.
Cape?
Yes.
Are we doing his ledger?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Aziza,
Yes.
I'm struggling with the formula. No, man, no. Struggling with the formats, and I think that is my other problem.
The format.
Debit, no? So my debit will be F Cape, ne? Which will be 2,230 rand. My TCPG, which is my trust cash payment journal, is 1,300 rand. So what will be my balance brought down is that Langa's balance that's coming down. No.
We are doing F Cape.
Okay.
We are doing F Cape's books only. This Roxanne,
With Langa.
what does the question say? 1,600 of the balance of F Cape. So why are we worried about Langa now? We're doing F Cape's books.
Okay. Gonna rework again. Thank you.
The other people, do you understand what you must do here? I wanted to understand that there was funds earmarked for a specific purpose. And this is what you're going to get all the time. Are you guys done? Or do you need 3 minutes? Valerie, do you need 3 minutes?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing today? Today you're not lying again. What are you scratching in a letterbox or what?
What's going on? Is my sound bad?
Your what?
The sound, is it bad? Are you
No,
saying
I'm looking at your picture. It looks like you're looking through a letterbox or what?
Oh yeah, I'm looking through the
Yes.
waterfront, V&A waterfront. What?
Oh, okay.
Trying to trying to find my answers there by the mountain.
Okay. Let's look at this. So what was the difference here? The only difference was that at the end of the day, right, there was 3,700 Rand and 50 Rand available to transfer before the transfer. 2250, sorry, before the transfer, right? From that 2250, we had to keep 1.6 for the funds that was supposed to be earmarked, right? You can see there the balance brought down is 1.6 because you still have 1.6 rolling over for the next month. But you can only transfer 650 Rand. And that is, where's my client's ledger? Here. So here you can see you're only allowed to transfer the 650 Rand. Do you people understand this transfer process?
Aziza, please repeat again because for me, I got it wrong. I subtracted the 1,600 from 3,750.
No, you've got 2,200 to transfer. But from that 2250, you must keep 1,600 aside.
Mm.
So you're going to deduct that. So that means you've only got 650 left.
Okay. Thank
Or
you.
two. I also got 1,150 Rand because I subtracted. You don't subtract anything here. I don't understand, Aziza. Where does the 2250 come from?
That's the balance
Maybe I'm
that
not
you can transfer. That's the balance that you're allowed to transfer.
balance before transfer.
That's
Carried
before the
out.
transfer. Now we need to
Okay.
transfer the 1.6. We can't transfer it yet. We've got 2250 to transfer, but we don't transfer it because there's 1.6 that is
Okay.
earmarked for something. So in actual fact, there's only a 650 Rand to transfer.
Aziza, what do you mean by earmark?
Earmark is it's for a specific purpose. It's like you budgeted to buy yourself a pair of tackies next month, so you put the money under the mattress. Something like that.
Okay. Okay. You save you put it away. Okay.
Okay. Now let's look at, there was another example. Where's that? I think it is in number 7. Study unit 7. The study unit 7 integrated chapter 6. Where's that one example?
Study unit 7, chapter number 6.
It was this example. I think it was this.
7.2. No.
And where's that example? It was a long one with T, a lot of T accounts. I think it was Barker or something, man. Anyway, is that one now?
Barco. Is that the surname?
Yeah, Denise, do you know it was Barker, man? Let me just go back to 6 again. Maybe I'll find it here still.
Where do they get all these surnames? Yeah. All these guy people.
Okay. Look at the 6.3. Was there one before that? Okay, it was that one. Okay. I wanted to take 5 minutes. Vanessa, did you understand this previous one, the transfer now? I'm confused. I'm lost. Are you still lost? Lucy, are you still lost? Avril, are you still lost? Lucy, Avril, you saying you lost there. I don't know if it's before or after I explained it.
I'm a bit better, but I'm still like not sure if I get this on an exam, how would I calculate it? Maybe it's because we're not, we've been doing it on Excel, so it made up it was like a clear picture. So now I'm not just sure.
Yeah, I told you people don't practice on Excel.
Aish.
Unfortunately, I now can't write on a piece of paper for you people. And then hold the paper up. But yeah. Okay. I want you to look at this example. Because this is also what we've seen in the questions, right? So I want you to do these two, number 1, 2, and 3. And then we can look at it. Number 1, 2, and 3.
6.3, Aziza.
Now, yes, but the required is 1, 2, and 3. So I want you to do 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Are you guys done with 1, 2, and 3 already? Are you still busy with 1 and 2? 3? I only see one answer for. You still need more time? Or do you want us to go through it? Okay, I'll give you another 4, 5 minutes.
Sorry, Aziza, still busy.
Okay, let's go through the answer. Let's go through what they are asking us. So they gave us the client was Africa East South North. Then they gave us the trust creditors ledger and the client ledger. Remember now in the previous session we did, the previous 15 minutes ago, we did T accounts and it would have represented a Africa is South and North and West, right? They just had Cape and whatever. Are you visualizing it? Now we have a trust creditors ledger of 22,000 Rand on the credit side, right? And the client's ledger has a nil balance. In S South books, his trust creditors ledger said 29,800 on the credit side, and the client ledger had a balance of 36,800, which was a debit balance. In the trust creditors ledger of North, he had no balance, but he had a client's ledger. He had 8,400 debit, so he obviously owed some money. West had 3,200 in the client's ledger debit in the trust creditors ledger, and he had 10,000 Rand in the client's ledger, which was a debit. So now you look at them. Let me just see, did they? Okay. So now there was the 22,000 Rand in the trust creditors ledger and nothing in the no transfer, right? For South, he had the 29,000 Rand and he had a 36,000 Rand in his trust creditors ledger. Okay. So in his client ledger, he can move the 29,000. So there's a 7,000, right? Because he owed 36,000. So we can move the full 29,000. Here he had nothing, right? There was nothing to transfer. So the 8,400 remains in the client's ledger. Here he had 3,200 Rand, right? And he had a 10,000 in his client's ledger. So now he's sitting with 13,200. And that's how Roxanne got her 28,600. In the trust bank account was 48,600, right? You can transfer 26,600. So the balance afterwards is the 22,000 Rand. Does this make sense to you?
Sort of again, but can you please repeat again?
Okay. In the trust creditors ledger of Africa Bank, he had a 22,000 Rand, right? And they owed nothing here, Africa, right? In the client's ledger. There was no balance in the client's ledger. So obviously the balance after the transfer is still 22,000. S South, he had a balance in his trust creditors ledger of 29,000, but he owed 36,000 in his client ledger. So naturally, we can transfer the full 29,800 over. And that means he has a balance of 7K. In North, had nothing. He had nothing in his trust credit, but he had a balance of 8.4 in his client ledger. So there was nothing to transfer. We're still sitting with a 8.4 balance in the client's ledger. That's why I say start with your trust creditors first. In the trust credit of West, he had 3.2. So we transfer the 3.2, but he had a balance of 10K. Okay, so now he's got 13,200. But remember the balance here was on the credit side. So if we're going to transfer the 3.2, he's now got 13,200 in the client's ledger.
Okay, it makes sense.
It was on the debit side, the balance.
It was on the
Yes.
credit side. Oh, on the debit side, sorry.
The 3.2 was debited. Huh?
Yeah, and on the client's ledger, it was a debit side.
That's 13.2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ik weet niet, maar...
I don't know if
sorry.
you people who's mastered this way. I don't like this way. So this way you can just say, does the client owe an amount? No, yes, yes, yes. Are the funds available in the trust? Yes, no, North hasn't got funds and West doesn't have. How much is available? 22,000. This way you can confuse you quick. I don't know.
What was question one? This is question for question one. Answer to question one.
Yeah, 1, 2, and
As-
3. They've done it together.
So
As in,
answer
so
to
was that-
question
ask-
one is 26,600.
Yes.
Or is okay.
So for this type of question, if you see debit, that means they owe you that money. Debit is owing, credit is what they have.
In the account, yes. Remember, the trust creditors ledger is a liability account. On the debit side, it gets less. On the credit side, it gets more. Client ledger is an asset account. On the debit side, it gets more. On the credit side, it gets less.
Brilliant.
Do you understand it now?
Yes. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Oh.
Okay. Give me a few minutes. Let me just see if I can get a question quickly for you. Where's that? Trading. No, where is that? Why am I always looking?
Um,
I had a question but then I didn't think to keep it. Let me just see here. So my Gmail. Let's just check it quickly. Oh, my Gmail is open. No. Roxanne, you can actually ask him that question that you gosh.
yes, Aziza, I'm listening to you.
You can actually ask him that question that you asked this afternoon.
You're on.
That I said you can ask about the Invigilator app because I think it's more people that's
A little
is
bit confused on.
confused.
Okay, thank you, Aziza. Hello, fellow students. So I was doing the philosophy exam today, and I didn't understand, whereas I had to download the, what is this name of this thing, Aziza? Trutinen or Trutin something.
Turn it in, turn it in, turn it in.
And then they asked me on my exam table, they advised me that I was going to use the Invigilator proctoring app. So I was now confused, but then who is the beautiful, precious, awesome lady that helped me? And she explained to me, is it Kione? Umkhotso? I don't know. I'm also giving names now like Aziza. But then one of the generous ladies here on the group explained to me that that is mobile into the exam portal, so you don't have to download that on your mobile while you are writing the essay. So we had essay type of questions today. So while you're writing, that automatically is built in the exam procedure. So you don't need to download that. You just need to go onto the Invigilator app and then proctoring it. I don't know, Aziza, if I'm explaining it correctly. Maybe you can just assist me or anyone else, but I was I was very confused with it. But thank you to the beautiful lady. Well, oh, sorry, Kione, the guy. Thank you to Kione who helped me. Yes.
Shame, you guys thereby, is it PSL? Everybody keeps contacting me as well, but I don't have that module. So I'm glad Kione could help you guys.
Your PSL can become very extravagant. We had 2 essays of 900 to 1,000 words. Tanisa,
And
so
someone
that's
said
3
like
hours.
they were confused about
But
the
it's
referencing style, and I'm like, guys, I'm so sorry, I don't know.
there's only one referencing style with the essay writing in philosophy. It's the Harvard.
But I'm so proud of all of you guys.
And we're also proud of you, Tanisa. When are we seeing the link? I think it's only Aziza that have access to that picture because
I didn't see her
yeah.
ring yet. She doesn't want to show her. She's saying her.
By
Aziza,
the end of the
How was
evening, shame
the
to those who stay.
how was the
No, you
outing? I already
must.
got paid for the wedding.
hi Aziza.
Yes, I'm just trying to copy. I don't know why I have to copy it like this.
Yeah, while you're copying, does it mean then for FAC we don't have to download anything? We just write using the proctored
Moodle.
site, my exam.
No, I have no clue. What did your study
We're
guide
using
say? I don't
Moodle.
want to talk on this type of stuff. Because I
Oh,
small
okay.
wrong.
Sorry, let me ask Tanisa because I when people ask questions from other from other modules in the FAC, it ends up confusing me. So for FAC, there's nothing new. We're not downloading anything.
Yeah, I'm with
Okay.
you on like if people ask questions, because that's how I felt with people and this philosophy thing and referencing. But yeah, it's gonna be exactly like what you did in assignment 4 and 5. Guys,
Mm.
just very importantly, make sure you have a picture on your UNISA portal. Because what
Mhm.
happened was my picture failed to upload for assignment 3. And then I got a nice email about, please remember you have to upload a picture. So just make sure you have a picture on your Moodle portal.
Okay. No,
That's
thanks.
strange. Tanisa,
What's
I'm still
strange?
using the picture uploading. Does it not remain on that Moodle proctoring thingy? Are you talking about the selfies that I ask you randomly to take?
Yes, it
I
takes
think she's
those. It does take those, but they can check. They randomly sometimes check, like, does your selfies fit with the picture on your UNISA, so that they are
Okay.
sure it was actually you who wrote your exam.
How are they
Oh,
gonna
okay.
know? How are they gonna know?
Because they take the picture on UNISA and hope that's the pictures
Thank
that
you.
they captured.
Every week,
Yeah.
some
And
people
we
have a
have
different week. What
filters.
if you have a different
We
week
have
every week?
filters.
I'm telling you, I cannot
I have a
recognize.
filter.
I
I
can't
have a
recognize.
filter on my photo.
Right?
I'm
Apparently,
saying
they
I have
can
a
see.
filter.
I
Maybe they
cannot.
use the banking futures thing where they can detect certain aspect of your face and whatnot, not necessarily how you look like in a
And
weave
student
versus
word,
the makeup and whatnot.
I'm telling you, there can be some differences, eh? And
Mm.
I cannot see if somebody had yellow hair last week, I won't remember them with brown hair the next week.
Aziz, I have
That's
another question for you. On client's creditors name, we don't client creditors it's a on the client's creditors ledger. We always record what the client owes us, but not what we owe them. That remains in the client's control.
why would we be owing the client? You mean if
So
there's a
you will
transfer,
pay us.
Yari? If there's a transfer, you mean? In the client's
yeah,
ledger, it's what the client owes the company,
that's
the
what I
law
wanted to
firm.
understand. So the
Yes.
client's ledger only has what clients owes the company.
Yeah, that's the definition of a client. When they owe you money, why you to be recording it?
Okay,
Just remember that.
thank you.
Aziza,
Uh,
this ledger's become hectic, eh?
just hold on, you guys are confusing me.
Sorry.
Trying to copy the stuff here for you.
Tonight I'm gonna have a very nice rest. Wow.
Rest. No time for resting now.
Aziza, I've been up since Saturday night. Saturday night, Sunday, Monday. Ooh,
What do you mean you've
I
been up?
must get a it's night shift. Not out. I've been up sitting with this accounting. It's gonna make me grey. I'm gonna be blonde again after this.
Can't
Yeah,
be that
it's too
bad.
much.
It cannot be that bad. Okay,
I'm
there's
not
question.
with the Aziza.
Okay, let's look at question 7. Ignore the first one that I posted. Let's look at question 7, 8, and 9. It starts here. The following appears in the books of Bolt attorneys. That was when Bolt won the Olympics. Then they set up that question, Usain Bolt. That's the only Bolt I can think of. So that's where they get names from. Okay, so I want you to do 7, 8, and 9 now. You can do it as a group because it's gonna take too long for you guys to do 3 questions for 3 marks in 30 minutes. So I want you to do it as a group. It takes quite long.
Are we on
You
the
can
same
discuss it.
page? Question 7, 8, 9. What will be
7,
the amount transferred to trust bank account?
yes, 7, 8, and 9. I want you to do it as a group effort. You can all talk. You can all discuss it. You can all put your heads together. You can all explain. Use the session to explain to Valerie. Valerie can explain to Boosie. Boosie can explain to Roxanne and Roxanne to Tandy. Never mind Vanessa. Don't worry about Vanessa. She's got a ring. We can't worry about people who got rings.
Oh, I'm gonna miss this facilitator.
You better not sit here next year because of a ring, eh?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Can I mute? Are you gonna start talking? Is somebody gonna say something what to do here?
Excuse me. Yes, yes, yes. We're gonna discuss. Yes. Okay. Who is explaining to me?
I didn't literally mean that you guys must explain to each other, eh? I just said peer learning.
Number 7.
You make it sound like it's at center. Pick a present. Secret Santa. Am I laughing for my own boring joke?
Now I'm laughing. I've just muted because I had a very ugly laugh now.
I don't hear you people talking and discussing it.
There's chats in the chat box.
So, question 7 is number 4. How did you get to that answer?
Because, okay, this is how I got it. The balance brought down was 10,000 rand. Fees to be transferred is 6,000 rand. So the original amount also from no. Tra-
You guessing here.
transfer business
Oh, you
bank
people are they
account.
not talking and discussing it? Come, guys, Boosie.
I said number 4 with Roxanne. Because in my mind, I'm thinking that you're transferring from the business bank into the trust bank. But also I know that client pay into the trust bank directly. So I wasn't 100%.
How I got it, Pussy, was that I took the 10 plus the 6 and I got to
Same here.
16,000 rand transfer from business bank account to the
Trust bank.
trust bank account.
But I'm just trying to, that's why I'm stuck on from, because why am I giving away my money now to a client? That's kind of where I'm stuck.
I'm stuck where you guys are stuck. Because if you look at the T account of MCUT in the client's ledger. 10 and 6 is 16,000. So why is it not 16,000?
It is.
Yes, we agree with the 16. We are not agreeing to, is it transferred to the business account or transfer from
Hold on,
the
wait,
business
wait.
account?
Just wait.
No, it's
Number
transferred.
7. Number 7. You people said
MCAT.
it's number 4.
Yes.
It's transferred to the business bank account.
So it's 1.
Vanessa
Yes.
was right.
Well done, Danisa. So question 7 is actually number 1 because you can't give away your money. No? The client needs to must know.
Give away their money.
Happiness.
Yes.
I
You guys,
always,
why are you bypassing my comment?
in this subject, just always think, how can you make money and not lose money?
Is it that simple, Danisa?
How did you? Okay. Okay.
Okay, but that is what attorneys do, no? They out on it to get the money. Okay.
Okay, now do number 8
Makes
for me. And don't guess, Roxanne.
yes, Aziza.
Work out your T account. Someone upload your T accounts here in the chat.
That's pressure. You pressure on me. Okay, I'm gonna do that now, Aziza. 15 minutes.
Maybe we should discuss number 8 as a group.
I've been saying that because you
Mm.
catch your nonsense when you're on your own. I've been saying that. You can go ahead, Pussy. You can lead the congregation.
For number 8, I think it's number 4. I agree with Roxanne on the chat because there's the balance put down is 5,000. And the fees are 7,000. So to me, it means there's only 5,000 in the account to transfer.
Here we go.
Agree.
Yes, Danisa.
So the
Where's
answer
Valerie?
was?
We are saying
Number
4.
Try again.
Yo,
Oh, Hira, I'm so excited. Let me throw up a tea account here for myself. Okay. So,
Aziza, you are proving us wrong today, hey?
Never.
Guys on the chat, any other ideas on what the answer could be? Since me and Rox already got it wrong.
Someone also said 5.
Number 2, 2,000 rand.
You guys are throwing out numbers without the logic. You guys are just throwing out numbers. You must be able to back it up with evidence. If it's not 1, it can either be 2. If I say no, it's not 2, it can be 3 or 4. If there's 3 or 4, you're going to say 5. And then
Someone
when you
did
say
say 5.
And then when you say 5, you're going to say yuppie, but you were guessing.
Can I try?
Yes.
I think because the fees is more than the actual amount, so we'll have to transfer the balance, which is the 2,000 rand.
Yes, give her a round of applause. Are you transferring to or from the business bank account? Hold on. Are you transferring to or from the business bank account?
I'm transferring to the business bank account.
No, you're transferring from the business bank
Oh.
account.
Okay. All right.
From the business bank account, 2,000 rand, because 7,000 rand.
Because in the trust creditors control account, there's only 2,000 rand. There's nothing to move. There's
Are we
nothing.
talking about
Number 8.
May I just ask the explanation again? Why is it from the business bank account?
Look in your trust creditors. Does anybody else want to explain why? In your trust creditors control, you only have a 2,000 rand, which is from your payments, right? And then you have to transfer that 2,000 rand out, but in your client control, you have 12,000. So there's nothing to transfer in your trust creditors control account to your client control account. There isn't
Yes.
money.
Aziza?
Hold on, Roxanne. Do you understand, Vanessa?
Yes, because I now realize we were all looking at the T accounts when that little block at the top is more crucial, where you had to bring back the money. I understand. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I also didn't go back to the trust cash payments journal where it shows that C Hammer only has 2,000.
Correct. Yes, Roxanne?
Right page. Are we referring now to client CMO? Where is the 2,000 rand we referring to, Aziza?
Roxanne, you look at the question properly.
In
Go
the
right.
trust cash payments journal.
Yeah, you have to go a few screens back, a few screenshots back, Roxanne. Then you'll see the trust cash payments journal.
Thank you, thank you,
You people
lady.
must know you must go and look for your subsidiary journals. You can't, they're not going to give you information that doesn't come out of some type of subsidiary journal. So I don't understand why you missed that. Anyway, let's go to number 9. You can discuss it.
Payment of expense on behalf of client paid from trust bank account in error. There was an error. Anyway.
I think it's number 5 for number 9.
I'm
I
going with
also
3.
think it's also number 3 because it says that if I go back, that cash was received from the
Mm.
trust creditors of
It's
7,500.
Yeah. So,
num
sorry, Roxanne.
you can go.
So I'm also saying number 3, just because D Wood only had 2 transactions, a balance brought down for fees, and then the fact that he added 7,500 into his account. So because he added money into his account, we have to take it from our business account into his trust bank account.
Nope.
I
That
thought
is
the other. Oh, sorry.
this lady Sibusi where girls Philly. That girl knows her. She always knows her work. But now why did you go back now? What number 5? Now you go to number 2. You
I
first put
said
number.
number 2.
No,
I'm the one who said number 5. I said
no.
5.
It's this lady Sibusi.
Oh, Sibusi
But
Siwe.
yeah, then she goes again. Question. Question 9. We're back question 5 now. Sibusi, come talk to us. Talk to these people here. Skill them a little bit. Why do you say number 5? How did you get to number 5? She always gets the stuff right. I've noticed in the chats. She goes undetected. Can you talk to us, please? We're tired of your chats. We want to hear your voice. Where's
It's
Charlie Chaplin tonight? Is he
he's
here?
he missed class.
It's not here.
Is Busisiwe on question 9?
She's
Your
on
answer for
question. Look at here by question 8. She got number 5. I wanted to explain how she got number 5.
which question are we doing? Are we doing question 8 or 5? Oh, okay. You're asking her about the chat. Okay, thanks.
Question, Siswe, come talk to them, please, please, please. Explain to them number 5, please. Number 8, question 8.
Question 8, answer 5.
Where is she?
I thought question 8's answer was number 3.
No, it's number 5. Oh, this girl got it right. No, why don't you want to talk to us? We don't bite.
We were answering question 9.
We are also answering question 9.
Why are you answering question 9 if you haven't even got question 8 right?
Because you explained question 8.
But I just you said
Yes,
that we
Aziza.
got it right.
You said question 8 was number 3.
The 2,000 rand.
Oh, yes, question 9 is number 5.
Yes.
So
Okay.
you just
Sorry.
And
No,
it's
you guys were
because there
talking
was
about 3.
7,500 rand available to take now.
Okay, question 9 is number 5.
Mm-hmm.
You said question 9 was number 3.
And I said number 2.
I said 5.
You said 5.
Yes.
Now explain to us, how did you get 5 by number 9?
I said 5 because D Wood had 7,500 in trust in his trust creditors account, and he owed fees of 10,000. So we had to pay the fees by transferring what is in the trust bank account to the business bank account, and that was
Yes.
7,500.
Yes. Who was that now?
Valerie.
Oh, Valerie.
Woo-hoo!
Valerie at the waterfront.
That's me.
Done, Valerie. Valerie, can you please explain that again? I was not with now. Trash cash receipt journal, not D Wood at 7.5.
Yeah, trust cash receipt journal is 7,500, meaning that he has a balance of 7,500 in the trust bank. I mean, in his trust creditors control account, D Wood. But then he owes fees of 10,000, we have to transfer the money that he has to our business bank account to pay the fees. He only has the 7,500, so we transfer to business account 7,500.
You with
Okay,
her?
I got you. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, not Pussy. Thank you, Valerie.
Okay, now number 10, everybody's gonna do it on their own now. Because you people said
Mhm.
yes, you understood all the others now. It's the same concept. So now you must do number
Oh.
10 on your own. No guessing, eh, Roxanne?
Copy that, Aziza.
Eh? No guessing. If you want to guess, you go to Grand West. We guess there. Roll the dice is there. It's not 3, it's 4. It's not 4, it's 2. Okay, so number 10, and with the explanation also, eh? Why you say it is. I feel you guys are guessing a lot. I feel you guys look at something and think it could be this. Are you?
I think we are just waiting from guidance from above.
Anyway, number 10, I'm waiting for your answers in the chat solo now. We're going solo. Okay, what do you guys have for me? Are you so much scared to say?
No, Aziza, I don't. Do we have complete information for WL nails? Because on these accounts, I can only see 6,850. I mean 12,850.
I'm also
12,000.
wondering.
And I'm also wondering because I get 13,700. So something
Yes.
is wrong there with it.
Yeah.
Is there something wrong with the
Oh.
question?
I think we're
Yes.
missing
Yes. None-
something.
Different answers because if I
Oh, yeah,
calculate
yeah,
my
yeah,
son,
yeah, yeah. It looks like there's something wrong. So what amount are you transferring to the business bank account?
13,700.
What did the other people get?
I didn't get anything. He
Okay,
owes
so
us, but
so so how much was in his how much was the balance?
12,000.
Huh?
The
It was
balance
zero.
for fees. I mean, the
No.
balance that he owes is nothing.
Hold on, let me go and check.
Mm.
I feel like I can't
No.
trust you people.
And
Busy with
4,850 rand.
wood. Where's
No, nails.
Nails? Where's
Nails,
Nails?
Nails.
Nails doesn't have a T account here. Oh,
Yeah.
Nails. It's no, and then is there additional information? Nails is 6,000 rand. W Nails. Can you see the 6,000?
Mhm.
Yes, the
Yes.
opening balance.
Yep. So he's got an
But there's
opening
some
balance, and then there's a payment to Shwani on behalf of the client, 2,000.
yes,
Uh-huh.
correct.
So it will be the 2,000 rand that you are transferring to the business bank account.
From where?
And the son,
There's no
Does he
option
have
of
credit?
2,000.
From the
Mm.
trust creditors control. That 2,000 is transferring to the business bank account.
And then the sundries
What sundries?
of 4,850. Those ones are, oh, no, sorry. For nails, it's just the 2,000. But then there's